One thing that is often overlooked when purchasing a home are the associated costs with owning a home on a monthly basis. In this video, I'm breaking down what is and what is not typically included in your mortgage payment. Hey friends, Noah Jenkins here with Noah Jenkins Group and Keller Williams Realty, and I help people just like you move to the Charlotte, North Carolina area from all over the country. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, call, text, or email me. I love where I live and want you to love where you live, so stick around. And don't forget to smash that subscribe, like, and bell notification to see all of my upcoming videos on all things Charlotte, North Carolina. But for now, let's jump into the hidden costs associated with buying a home. So the costs that we're talking about in this video are going to be after you've already purchased your home and spent the money on your deposits and things like that. If you want to see the costs associated with buying a home before you close, be sure to click that button above. It'll take you to that video. But like I said, for now, we're only looking at after you purchase a home and what is not and what is typically included in your monthly mortgage payment. So first up on our list is utilities and ongoing maintenance on the house. So things like electricity, water, sewer, that's not going to be included in your monthly payment. And then of course your ongoing maintenance. So anytime you have somebody to come out and look at anything, when you do your HVAC yearly, tune-up or whatever they call it, all of these things are not going to be included in your monthly payment. So you need to budget for these things as you go into each year and know exactly how much you're going to spend in each category, of course with some leeway because things increase and decrease over time. Second up are repairs and renovations. So any repairs that you do on your home, these are not included in your monthly payment, and renovations that you do on your home, these are also not included in your monthly payment. So if anything in your home needs repaired, if anything breaks and you need to fix it, these are going to be additional costs outside of your monthly mortgage payment. And then of course, if you do any bathroom renovations or kitchen renovations or painting or flooring, anything like that is not included in your monthly payment. And the last thing that we're talking about in this video, but certainly not the least, is any appliances, furniture, etc. So if your refrigerator breaks and you need to buy a new refrigerator, or any of your other appliances, or you need furniture in your home to move in, or if you need new furniture, of course, none of these things are going to be included in your payment. So I know what you're asking right now is what even is included in my monthly mortgage payment. So right now we're going to break down all the things that are typically included in your mortgage payment. And I'm putting emphasis on typically because everyone's financial situation looks a little bit different, and you may not have an escrow account that holds two of the most important things on this list. So when we talk about mortgage payments, we're talking about your PITI payment, P-I-T-I, which is your principal, your interest, your taxes, your insurance, and then your HOA payment. So your principal is what you owe on the house, what you paid for the house. The interest is your interest rate and how much you're being charged to borrow that purchase price. Taxes are typically included in your mortgage payment. These are going to be from the city and or the county. And then your insurance is for homeowners insurance. If you're financing your home, this is absolutely crucial and it's going to be required by your financial institution. So taxes and insurance are typically things that are escrowed. So you're paying monthly on these items, but typically taxes and insurance are only paid once a year. And the bank or whoever you financed your home through is going to pay those things on your behalf, even though you've contributed to it monthly. So this is what I was talking about. If you, depending on your financial situation, you may or may not have an escrow account. So your taxes and your insurance may not be included in your monthly payment, which means you have to make those payments on your behalf. So there you have it. What is and what is not typically included in your monthly mortgage payment. So if you found this video helpful, check out my other videos about moving to and living in Charlotte, North Carolina area. If you're considering selling or making a move to Charlotte or any of the surrounding cities, I would love to talk to you. Text, call, or email me today to buy or sell strategically. And don't forget to smash that like, subscribe, and bell notification. Bye for now.